Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Today I will show you I have purchased one product from Amazon and which is a rechargeable battery, which is multi-purpose battery, like you can charge again and it's a size battery. The machine can charge both AAA and AA. So it is you can use in various purpose like remote control, toys and etc. Actually I brought these batteries because I would need these batteries for my use in gadgets, so I purchased this from Amazon. Okay, so I will unbox this. Okay, this is the packaging. Okay, and you can see. The packaging is hard. It is wonderful packaging by Amazon. Wow, it's fantastic. ENVIE Speedster. It's both triple and double. You can see triple and double A battery charger. It can charge both. This is called okay. Actually, I was need these batteries for my use in my gadgets, so I purchased this from Amazon. Okay, today this product arrived today at my home. You can see, and I will show you battery. This is the bill. This both battery and the charge I got at rupees 945 Indian rupees. Okay, I got it at cheapest price, so it's amazing. Let's see. See this is a cell. It's a 1000 mAh cell. Okay, see, you can check this. It's amazing. mAh cell, and you can see the actual price of this battery is quite more. Okay, so in the online we get at cheapest price. It's amazing. So you can check this. More battery and the charger. Okay, so I hope you'll like this video. So okay, then I made this video just for you for entertainment purpose. So I hope you like this and you also like the product. So okay, then take care all of you and see you in next video. Okay, bye bye.